Yes! Yeah, boy. 1900, 1700.
What's up guys, my name is Zero. So today I start making videos about my trading strategies and regarding my thought process of why I take some trades. So hopefully people will see similarities between their trading strategies. So first of all, my chart looks messy. Don't worry about it. Let's go to a cleaner chart. By the way, I'm an ICT trader. So normally I would start my day by marking the new day opening gap. So let's go to that Thursday's trade. Um, so the new day opening gap is the closing of the last 1 minute candle, which is 746.75. There you go, lock it. And the opening of the 1 minute candle, which is 753. There you go, lock it. Then I would go to a 1 hour chart and mark the breakers. So higher high, market structure shift. This is a breaker right here. I would call this a bearish breaker. Is there any other breakers here? Nope. I go down to a 15-minute chart. Higher high, market structure shift. This is another breaker right here. And after that, I'm gonna mark the midnight open. Right here. Extend it all the way to 4:45 p.m. So as you've noticed, the market is trending down. So you have to look, where is this price gonna take us? So as you've noticed, that trade, there was a sell side liquidity resting right here. So that's a draw on liquidity right here. Now I have to check if there's any breakers, high time frame breakers, bullish breaker. So lower low, there's a breaker here. So this bullish breaker right here was respected. As you've noticed, the price went down here and then the price went back up, right? So I want to know if this breaker gets taken out and also this liquidity. So when the market opened on that day, as you've noticed, initially it was respected. So on a 15-minute time frame, ICT messaged that this fair value gap here that was created on Thursday, last Thursday, will be, he wants this taken out on a Friday. But since the price kept going downwards, he messaged again in a telegram saying that this might get taken overnight. So I was watching for this price. So let me mark it real quick. Extend it all the way to that day. So when the price was going down towards this fair value gap, I need to know whether the price is gonna bounce back up there or it's gonna continue taking this sell side liquidity. So let's go to that 1 minute chart. As you've noticed, this fair value gap was taken at 12:39 a.m. So I was watching this price and it's filling this fair value gap, and I was waiting for the 3 a.m. Silver bullet. So while it's filling up this fair value gap, I want to know if the price is going to go down all the way to that sell side liquidity, or would this fair value gap propel the price upwards? So around this time frame at 139, the price was going up and it created a small breaker right here, and it has taken this high right here, and that was before 3 a.m. So as you've noticed, the price went back down. It has created this fair sorry, bearish breaker right here, and it has taken this low right here. So at midnight open, it went up to this price. So this breaker has been violated, right? And then the price went back down, and the um, consequent encroachment of that fair value gap that ICT was talking about. And then there's a fair value gap here. Feel the price, and the price went up, and it's this also is a reclaimed uh, breaker right here. So when the price went up, I wasn't sure still whether this price is gonna go down because it bounced in the midnight open. So I want to make sure it passed that midnight open price before I will take that trade. So when the price went up here, it created this breaker right here, bullish breaker. Price didn't even reach that breaker, and it created another breaker right here. So when the fair value gap was created past creating this breaker, I was waiting for that price to go down here. And this is where I took that trade at 4:11 a.m. all the way to the new day opening gap. And I slept after that. By the way, I live in California, so around this time it was 1 a.m., 1:11 a.m. And so I decided to sleep because I was gonna wake up for market open at 8 a.m., which is 5 a.m. here in California. So I took that trade, put my stop loss here and this propulsion block right here in the bottom of it. And then my take profit was the new day opening gap, the first one. I normally take the first one instead of the second one because sometimes if the new day opening gap is big, it will only go to the consequent encroachment and reverse. So based on my current experience, I would rather take that low hanging fruit. And so my take profit was achieved at 6:41 a.m. Eastern time, which was 3:41 a.m. in my time. And then I woke up happy about it. That it was kind of like a swing trading. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more of these contents, um, please like and subscribe. Peace.